Hey, welcome back. Today we're looking at a colour steel gate. This one is grey Friars and it's obviously been cut on an angle there. As you can see, the driveway slopes away about 100. But what we do is we've joined this concrete strip in with an existing driveway, so it's sort of been cut in a little bit, and it obviously goes right back to the stopper which goes at the end. If you're going to do like a sloping gate, you're going to need side mounted rollers because the gate actually goes up and down depending on at what position it's in, so you can have a look as it comes up. You've actually got it hitting the top of the rollers, so if you're interested in something like this, give us a call. We can do this in a range of colours. Just have a look on our website, strongfencing.co.nz, and we can do a colour steel sliding gate. This one here is only about 1200 high, but obviously we can make them at any height. And if you go to the colour steel page of our website, you'll be able to see that there's a range of different colours. So there's a black, green and a white as well. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in something like this, talk to us at strongfencing.co.nz.